Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's another exciting evening. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. So in tonight's video, I'm going to be doing my monthly PR BoxyCharm review. If you guys want to see what I got, just keep on watching. So what is BoxyCharm? BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription box where you can get 5 full-size items for $25 or $30. I don't remember if I think the price went up a little bit. The average of each base box is about $175. With BoxyCharm base box every month, you can upgrade to premium or luxe once subscribed. Let's get into the box and see what we got. I was waiting to see if I got my paid box, but I didn't get it yet, so I just wanted to go ahead and see what we got in this one. So February's box is Be My Glamentine. This is perfect because this Saturday I'm going out with me and a bunch of my girlfriends for a Galentine's night out. It's supposed to be fun. We'll see what the hell is going to happen. It's going to happen. Okay, so this is the box. This is the cute little card that it came with. Here's everything on the back. Let's dive right in and see what we got. Okay, so here's the box. And the first item is Saturday Skin Vitamin C Brightening Cream. I need this. This is a brightening cream, a buttery eye cream with an infusion of yuzu fruit, a rich vitamin C that combines targeted ingredients such as active vital complex, niacinamide. This is eye cream will improve moisture retention, hydrate, and blur appearance of fine lines. So as you get younger in age, you will start to develop these little fine lines. Let's pull y'all in so you can see. See, look at these lines. All these lines, because, you know, I'm getting younger in age. So I need this to help firm and hydrate my skin. This is going to be great. This retails for $32. Thank you, BoxyCharm, for this. The next item I got was Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. Stila products are a really good staple in my collection. I do love Stila a lot. I love a lot of their oh, here it is. This one right here. So this Stila's volumizing, long-wearing mascara drenches every lash in intense triple black pigments. So it's basically just a really nice mascara. Packaging is really pretty. I'm not going to open it because I'm not going to use it. I'm going to probably put it in a giveaway coming up. And this retails for $23. The next item is by Yensa Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. Primers are really good for your face. This primer is a perfect first step to achieving superfood glow infused with a Super 8 power loving skin ingredients to help minimize pores and fine lines. So this is great to put on your skin before you put on your makeup, because you want to try to get that flawless finish before you put on your concealer, your foundation, your baking, your everything else, because, you know, makeup is in layers. So you don't just want to go in with just foundation, because then you would see all these lines and everything. I did a quick look tonight, so that's okay because I'm not going anywhere. But I will try it Saturday and see how it works. We'll put it to the test. And so this also retails for $35. So that was number 3. The next item I got were these Allure Multitasker 4-in-1 makeup brush. Let's see if I can get it open. I don't want to get my nails, take my nails off. Okay, here we go. Got it. This side open. Oh, right. So this is a 4-in-1 makeup brush. This is the spongy part. Open it. Oh, there's the eyeshadow brush. And this side, oh, this side is the brow brush. This is really a very innovative little, oh no, I just ruined it. Little innovative type of brush. This is great for traveling, along with the ivory brushes too. This is great because all you need is just this. if you need it. If you're going somewhere, this would be great to just throw in your bag. You can unscrew them just to save some space too. And then you have 4 brushes right there. So that's very, very smart of Allure brushes. This retails for $28. The last item is from Estate Cosmetics. Precision Tip Liquid Liner. This ultra fine liquid liner delivers any look from a quick flick to a bold wing. I like to do a wing eyeliner, but since like I wear lash extensions, I don't really have to wear eyeliner as much as I like would cake it on, like pack eyeliner on. Yep, here's this here. I am going to try it on my skin. Okay, the flick isn't very bad. I'll test this Saturday as well and see how it works. So let's add all these up and see what the total of this box is. Got my phone right here. 32 plus 23 plus 35 plus 28 plus 12. So this box retails for $130. And again, it's all 5 full-size items, so that's really good. My thoughts on this box? I got 3 makeup items and makeup brushes. So 4 makeup items and 1 skincare item. Some of them I would use, some of them I won't. I think it's really great, you know, you get to try out all these products that you're getting and you don't know what you're getting until you get it. I will definitely be using the eye cream. Actually, I'll probably use this tonight and see how it works. This box it's okay for this month. I thought maybe because it's Valentine's month, they probably would have thrown in like a lipstick or something like that, but I don't curate them. I'm very thankful for BoxyCharm for keeping me on their PR list, and I will just always keep reviewing these products for you guys. I can't wait to look at my base box. I will be posting all these photos on my Instagram. If you guys have not, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everybody for coming back. I will be trying my best to get back on YouTube more. I do post a lot on Instagram and TikTok, so please go and follow me and catch me there. And before Alice got to Wonderland, she had to fall. So that's all for tonight, everybody. I hope you guys all have a great evening, a great Valentine's Day if you celebrate that, or an extra Halloween, because I don't really care for Valentine's Day. It's not my thing. Whatever. And yeah, that's it. So I will see you guys later. Bye, everybody. Good night.